What?
So, what does Simba say? Andrew, what does Simba say? Roar. Dude, roar. Andrew, roar. Andrew, what does Simba say? What does Simba say?
Nora.
Andrew, what does Simba say?
Let me see Simba.
Alright.
No, which one is he? Which one is he?
Wow. Wow.
Wait, let me see Simba. Is that Simba?
That's Simba? Duck. That's Scar. Pig. Pig. What's his? Timon.
Yonder! Yonder!
Andrew, go.
He already did it.
Move. Sammy!
What?
Simba! He's sitting on my hair again. Simba! 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 Look! Simba!
I see. He's
Simba.
not on yet.
No. No.
What?
What's that?
Can I see that?
No.
Can I see it, please?
Oh, wait.
Thank you. Simba. Oh.
I'm taking a shower.
Oh, wait.
What?
I have to go to Five Below.
What?
I can't drive.
I'm going. What are you talking about?
I know, but he's gonna watch Andrew.
I got him.
He-
Shut that door.
I got in the shower when he was here by himself the other morning. I told him I'm getting a shower. He said, all right. And I shut the door. Not-
You guys are going, go now. I can start stripping down.
Right
without
now?
worrying. Why are you going now? You're not going now, don't go.
Come on,
Are
Dad.
you going now?
Yeah. Bye, Andrew.
Andrew, bye-bye. I'll be back. Bye.